To create a mobile app in Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the Wix editor. From there, click on the Add icon and select Mobile App to begin the process. Wix will prompt you to choose a template or start from scratch. Select the option that best suits your needs. Next, customize your app by adding features such as contact pages, menus, and social media links. Use the drag and drop editor to arrange the layout and design of your app. You can also add custom functionality with Wix Code, a powerful tool that allows you to create custom databases and APIs. To add a database to your app, go to the Wix Code section and click on Database. From there, you can create a new database and add collections to store your data. You can also use Wix Code to create custom APIs and connect to external services. Once you have designed and customized your app, it is time to publish it. Click on the Publish button and follow the prompts to set up your app on the Wix App Market or the Apple App Store and Google Play. You will need to provide information about your app, such as its name, description, and screenshots. After publishing your app, you can track its performance using Wix Analytics. This tool provides insights into user behavior, such as page views, clicks, and conversions. You can use this data to make informed decisions about how to improve and optimize your app. Throughout the process of creating a mobile app in Wix, keep in mind best practices such as optimizing for user experience, ensuring accessibility, and testing thoroughly. By following these steps and tips, you can create a high-quality mobile app that meets the needs of your users and helps you achieve your goals.